So today I'm gonna be doing a eyeshadow tutorial using this Naked Urban Decay Smoky palette. First, I'm gonna start using this eyeshadow primer by Smashbox. The first color that we're gonna use is this white color right here, and we're gonna put it on this part of our eye. The next eyeshadow I'm gonna use is this one. The name of the eyeshadow is Combust. After that, we're gonna use the third eyeshadow. The name of this eyeshadow is Whiskey, and we're gonna apply it with a blending brush like this one. I am going to use this brush to continue blending. And then I'm going to use this color right here in the inner part of my eye. But first I am gonna add a little bit more of this eyeshadow primer. The next step is that I'm going to use this gray eyeshadow right here. The name of it is Password. And what I'm going to do is that I'm going to put it right here so that I can blend the eyeshadows. It's going to be like my transition shade. We're going to get a little bit more of the brown shade using this pencil brush so that we can put it on the outer corner. Now we're gonna use the two eyeshadows, the gray one and the brown one, and we're gonna put them on the bottom part of our eye. And with a wipey, I am gonna clean this part. Okay, now we're gonna continue with my face makeup. First, I'm gonna start with this facial spray from the brand Mario Badescu. And I'm gonna rub it in. We're gonna start with this product by MAC, and I'm gonna be using this for my contouring. Then I'm gonna be using this foundation by MAC. The number is NC42. And I'm gonna be using this brush by Sigma. The next step is gonna be concealer, and I'm gonna be using both of these. This one is I'm gonna use it to cover my under eye area, and then this one is gonna be to brighten. And to blend this, I'm gonna be using my Real Techniques sponge. The next step is gonna be to set this with the MAC Fix powder. I am using the one in NC42. Today I'm gonna be using this bronzer to contour. This one is from the brand NARS. This is Laguna. And I'm gonna use this F40 brush from Sigma. As a highlighter, I'm gonna be using this one from MAC. This is the Global Glow. In this case, I'm gonna use this other one. This is Opal by Becca. And as a blush, I'm gonna use this one by Tarte. The name is Pampered. Okay, and the next step is that I'm gonna put a lipstick on. Okay, so then the lip combo that I'm gonna be wearing today is gonna be both of these. This is the lip liner by NYX in the color chocolate, and this is the e.l.f. matte lip color in the shade coral. So before I finish, I am gonna put false eyelashes, and then I'll show you how this looks with eyelashes on. Okay guys, so this is the final look. I put false eyelashes. The ones that I'm using are from this brand, Eyelure. I'm using number 126. And I also added a little bit of the Opal highlighter. I added it to my inner corners, and I hope that you guys like it. If you guys want to get to know a little bit more about me, I'm gonna leave a link above for you to watch another of my videos. And if you like the video, please give it a like, and also leave your comments below. And if you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe and click on the little bell that is right next to it, so that you can be notified when I make more videos like this. Thank you.